What a great day to come out and grill with my Raycon earbuds that Cardi B's are obsessed with.
Move forward, switch up. Function hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker.
What are you doing?
These earbuds start at about half the price of any other earbuds on the market, and they sound just as amazing as any of the top brands. They're great for working out, working from home, doing,
Why are you telling me this?
and just barbecuing when you're outside. They're wonderful. They're pretty good. Click the link in the description below for 15% off.
Their everyday E25 earbuds are the best model yet, with 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, and a more compact design that gives you a nice, noise-isolating fit. They come in new, fun colors and a nice little carrying case that charges them. If you want some of your own, make sure to check out buyraycon.com/donutoperator.
Oh, hey, it's our neighbors. Hey, Tom, how you doing, bud?
You look like a murderer. Homeless man murderer.
Donut, your YouTube video said you'd be on. You fucking lied to us. You gotta give me a minute, man. A lot of you guys are like, what do you keep on your side? Is that your dad bag? No, it's my vlogging camera because I have a large vlogging channel too. It's called Donut Vloggerator. Grantham and I should just get married so you guys can have two daddies. I'm Daddy Donut and he's Flannel Daddy. Oh, shut the fuck. You know, you have like phantom limb when you get a leg cut off or something and you feel like your leg's still there. I have like phantom cat. Because the cat, Jones, always sits at my feet. Well, I figured out that Pizzle is just bull dick. God, chillins are the worst thing I've ever eaten before, man. It's a bull dick right there, man. I went to an Asian market. There was a bunch of crazy shit there. And I was like, I'm in the video, I'm like, what is a Pizzle? It's a bull dick. And turns out dogs and your girlfriend really love, you know, Pizzle. Bullcock is delicious. How do you prepare your bullcock? This place is so nasty. Look at this place when I pause it, like how sketch it is. Wow, that's a good like the roof is falling in, the tiles are leaking, like every single one of them. I do have a vlog channel. It's got 220,000 subscribers and I post on there often. Videos such as teaching kids how to play with fireworks, homeless man sponsors local skater, young boy taunts homeless man with delicious food, homeless man steals child's motorcycle, Uncle Chocolate teaches John how to be a degen. Let me get my co-host over here, guys, 1 second. Sorry, I had to go get my co-host Jones. As always, he's sleeping like a lazy little fuckhead. Dude, that's gotta fucking hurt. Oh! Ow! Oh, Jesus Christ! Ow. So I guess that's a strategy in itself. Just run from across the ring and slam into people. I think when your first day at the police academy, they should give you a good jab to the face. And if like you can't handle that, then don't be a fucking police officer. Got that guy in the throat. I want this job. South Korea. Crispy posted this video, or this picture, excuse me. And I said, 1 wick. We can make the recap right now, and it would save me a lot of time in the future. How did Matt mess up his arm? He saw like my Instagram and was so turned on by my mustache. He masturbated so hard that it tore his bicep from the bone. Guys, if you could just send Matt Best your love, he had surgery today. That's what happens though, man. That's what happens. No, Best, not Carricker. City of St. Petersburg, Florida, and St. Petersburg Police Department leaders are announcing a big change. Starting October 1st, officers will no longer respond to nonviolent social service calls. Mental health, homeless issues, substance abuse, suicide, and disorderly students in school. They're not gonna send cops to suicide calls. You know what people like to do on suicide calls? Use weapons. Mental health. I mean, I understand that it's probably good to have a social worker there for mental health, but like what happens when you show up to the mental health call where the guy pulls a gun and kills the social worker, the unarmed social worker? Being homeless is usually caused by substance abuse, mental health, and you know, both combined. You show up to chase a homeless guy off and he pulls a gun and shoots you, stabs you with a rusty spoon or some shit. Suicides are non-violent, right? If I facepalmed to this, it would go out the back of my head. Militarized social worker. How long till we have militarized social workers? That's what I'm saying. How long till they reinvent the police? It's like, oh, well, this social worker died because they responded to a mental health call and got shot. We should give social workers bulletproof vests. And it's like, oh, well, social workers are dying now from going to suicides. Well, we should give them something to protect themselves with. Let's give them a gun. And then they just reinvent the police. Oh, this shit is awesome too, man. So the way that they caught this woman who threw Molotovs into police cars is pretty rad. The FBI managed to track down the woman identified by police as Laura Elizabeth Blumenthal through purchases she made on Etsy and her LinkedIn profile. This is pretty cool. This is good investigating, like stellar investigating. They sifted through numerous videos and photos of people setting 2 vehicles on fire at the Philadelphia protests on May 30th, which were mostly peaceful. Some of the photos, a woman with a peace sign tattoo who wore a t-shirt that read "Keep the immigrants, deport the racists," was seen. Her face was covered by what looked like a bandana. Oh, so they're like, here's this woman, she's got peace signs, she's got this shirt. That shirt looks like something not a lot of people wear. The FBI found the shirt on Etsy, which they called unique, and found that a user by the name of Alley Cat Lore left a 5-star review of the shirt. That username then belonged to a person who also used the username Laura Elizabeth. Shouldn't have left that review on it there. Authorities then searched Laura Elizabeth online and found a LinkedIn profile of a woman in Philadelphia. They learned she was employed as a massage therapist, and her employer had videos posted to their website with the woman in the video matching a driver's license photo of Blumenthal. One of the videos showed the same tattoo the woman seen in the protests had, according to a criminal complaint. A phone number listed by her employer came up belonging to Blumenthal, and that an address was also found, the criminal complaint stated. Etsy later provided a record of sale after the subpoena was issued, and the address was the same as the one they found through Blumenthal's employers. Authorities said in some of the photos she was seen wearing what appeared to be fire retardant gloves. Because she was wearing those, evidence of intent and planning to engage in activities that could potentially hurt her hands and our eyes, including arson. So I don't know, that's just a pretty sick investigative process right there. Because she was wearing that shirt, they went in and found it and then subpoenaed Etsy. Can't beat real police work, man. They just connected all the dots. Now she's facing like 80 years. She's facing 80 years in prison. The U.S. Attorney's Office said in a statement that 2 vehicles, a sedan and an SUV, were destroyed after being engulfed in flames. She was allegedly seen taking a piece of flaming wood from one of the vehicles already on fire and throwing it into the other that was not yet in flames. She was also seen throwing a flaming object to light the first vehicle on fire. So yeah, if convicted, she could face a maximum sentence of 80 years in prison. I think it's funny too, man. A lot of these people who are going around torching police vehicles, throwing rocks, doing all this stuff, of course everyone has their cell phone out. It may take them a little bit, but the FBI and local police are sifting through all these videos that these people are incriminating themselves with. And this is going to happen more and more and more. It's probably already happened a lot, but it's going to happen more and more and more. So enjoy your rioting and looting while you can, because police aren't just going to forget about it. Sheriff warns LA County cuts will eliminate sexual assault investigations unit because they're cutting like millions of dollars from the Los Angeles Police Department. They're cutting Operation Safe Streets, which investigates gang crimes, the Fraud and the Cyber Crimes Bureau, and the Major Crimes Bureau, which specializes in investigating kidnapping for ransom, illegal medical practices, extortion, and other crimes. So those units are going to be cut because of defund police. Have fun with that. They can't wait passes. Here's what it looks like for Atlanta. I made a full video about this one. Every single, like 7 out of the 8 are already happening in police agencies everywhere. And there's a few on here that are just absolute bullshit, like ban shooting at moving vehicles. No, dude. If someone's trying to run me over, I'm going to shoot them. Oh God, this one. This is infuriating. People blocking the road once again. What if this guy's house was on fire and his dog was burning alive? This guy's grandmother fell down the stairs. Now, you know, she broke her fucking hips. Can't get up. Old people die from broken hips all the time. Emergency vehicle can't get there because you're in the middle of the goddamn road. Peacefully protest on the sidewalk. Anyway, so this is Columbus police body camera. Columbus, I think it's a sergeant. I don't know, a sergeant or a lieutenant, someone higher up, goes up and tries to negotiate with him.
Who's the organizer of this? Who's the organizer?
Ain't nobody no organizer. We all together. We as one.
I understand that. Who organized this today?
Ain't nobody organized it.
Who has the voice here right now? Who can I talk to has the voice?
What happened?
Listen to me what I'm telling you right now.
What a bitch. He's just trying to like peacefully talk to him. Look how brave. Look how brave.
What happened?
Listen to me what I'm telling you right now.
Okay, do it this way. Because they chant.
I need somebody with a voice. Now is this today? I need somebody to be able to listen to me. Listen to me today.
I'm listening.
I understand the protest. We want you to be able to protest. But right now, you're blocking Broughton High. You listen? You hear what I'm saying? I want you to...
Get a job. Get a job.
You blocked out of traffic. We got cars blocking in the...
Dude being super nice too, man.
Give you a little bit of time to get out of the intersection. If not, we're gonna have to come back and do enforcement. That, as far as enforcement, that's gonna be towing vehicles and issuing citations. Right now, we can't block traffic. We can't do that.
Okay.
For one, it's dangerous. We got cars out here turning, making U-turns. There might be somebody who might not understand what the cause. You know what I'm saying? They might just come through here and cause. So you causing a danger to not only yourself but other motorists.
Oh, here comes the angry drunk man. All right, I remember this part. I haven't watched the whole thing. Watching it with you guys gives me the strength to continue.
What's your name, Ty?
Sergeant Sykes, correct.
There he is.
I'm an Army Ranger.
Okay.
I'm an Army Ranger.
I'm an Army Ranger.
You a little bit inebriated?
Is you a little inebriated? No.
You a little bit inebriated?
I'm military. I'm 11 Bravo. Amen.
Do me a favor. You're a little bit inebriated right now.
Fuck 12.
So,
No. Y'all think peaceful in Columbus?
yeah.
No. We do have the power.
This is not the way to do it, though. I promise you that. This is not the way to do
It's our
it.
First Amendment right to do this.
No, you cannot block traffic.
This is our First Amendment right to do this.
That one word. There's that one word that says that is your right. Peacefully.
The protest,
And
whatever.
we're protesting right
No,
here.
you can't do it. You got to go on the sidewalk.
We pay you.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Bitch, you don't pay taxes.
We pay you.
Listen.
To serve and protect us.
Okay,
So if y'all
Yeah, people know like cops pay taxes too.
make sure we don't get hit by a car.
Are you gonna listen to it or are you gonna argue? Are you gonna listen?
And it doesn't matter.
Hold on.
I don't give a
Hey,
fuck.
can you listen to me for a second? Listen to me. I'm not going to steer you the wrong way. We let this go on for a week plus. But right now,
Yo, let it go on.
Listen. Hold
Yo,
on.
no, problem. Yo, let it go on.
No.
You can speak to people. It's so many of these fucking protests, man, and protesters, like, they just skip that part in their life when you're younger. Problem resolution where you don't have to scream. You can just talk to people, especially if they're being kind to you. You can just talk to people. Cops being so nice to him, man.
Y'all not letting nothing.
Dude has a Wish.com plate carrier. Yeah, you see him back there. Sorry, man. Already proved that won't stop anything.
Okay. Who can I talk to? Who can I talk to? Can rationalize with me?
Yeah, hey,
Rationalize for
could you
nobody.
guys like block off the roads for us?
No, we can't do that because right now
That man just walked up and asked the cops to block off a road.
it's dangerous. You got all this traffic right here trying to proceed, and they can't because the traffic.
They can go somewhere else.
No, we
Well, that's
can't.
what I'm
Just
saying.
like that,
They
don't
can guys
understand.
block off the roads for us.
No, we can't do it because you gotta. Do you have
Are you
a?
gonna
Do you have a
mace us?
permit? You gotta.
You're gonna mace
No,
us?
we're not gonna do that. But you gotta have a permit to take over
What are you gonna
intersection.
do to us?
What's that?
What are you gonna do to
So
us?
listen, if you don't have a permit, I'm actually that one.
Explain the emergency vehicle thing to him like I explained it. Like, that's what I would. I never got in this situation, but I would be like, look. Do you know what a fire is? Hold on. Like, Bill, go get my crayons. Hold on, bring over. Give me the red and orange one. Red, yellow, and orange. We'll make sure they understand. Do you know what a fire is, right? Do you know that houses catch on fire? Sometimes. Hold on. Bill, give me the black crayon real quick. All right, children, baby, dog. This is what's in your house, right? If your house is on fire, then that means the things you love are going to be on fire also. And this is Bill, give me the red one again. Fire truck. This is a fire truck, right? Okay, this puts out the fire. It puts it out. Bill, give me the blue one. All right, water comes out of the fire truck and puts the fire out. If you're standing in the middle of the road, Bill, yellow again. If you're standing in the middle of the road, right? Then the fire truck can't get to your house. And remember, your loved ones are on fire. Okay, cool. I'm glad we clear that up. We're not blocking the intersection. Fuck off. We're gonna tase you all. There's gonna be pepper spray. and we're gonna rain down rubber bullets on you.
Okay, do you have a permit to take over the
I don't
intersection?
need a permit.
Okay.
My
so-
blood has been spilled in this country. I don't need a permit.
So, okay.
Blood in the streets. This is the beginning of time. Native Americans, I don't give a fuck about the justice system. Because it's failed.
Okay.
It's flawed.
So what you're telling me now that you don't...
It's flawed. I don't care. So do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Do what you have to
So we're
do.
gonna have to come back here. We have to take
Do
your car.
what you have to do.
If you guys would just block off the road for us, man.
Do what you have to do.
So we can't.
There's another person coming up and saying, if you guys would just block off the roads for us, man. No. No.
Do your job.
We can't block off the road.
Serve and protect. Serve and protect.
Oh yeah, hold on. We can't block off.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it on my super professional high-tech crime scene recreation software, and I'm gonna print it out and send it to police departments to show the protesters.
It's time for action. It's time for action.
Sorry. I think I just gave my chat herpes from like playing this part right here.
How many times have you told your workers, your co-workers that they wrong? You ain't never told your co-workers they wrong. You scared to do something.
What happens when people protest peacefully?
Mom. This is C. Murphy. I have a friend, I think it's Columbus Police. He punched a guy in the face one time. It's a friend of mine. This guy bucks up to him. They're trying to defuse the situation. And this dude comes up and bucks up to this police officer and then like bucks up to him a little bit. And yeah, I recognize the uniforms because they're wearing EMS uniforms. Have you guys seen this one? He ran up to this cop. They didn't show that part. Here, let's watch it. He's like, get back, get back. And the dude bucks up to him and then he takes one to the face. I think he started to move his right hand and he's like, I'm not doing this. And so he diffused the situation. You see him pull his pants up and do that. I think he saw that as, you know, a threatening gesture and he just reacted. Just a little love tap. I've been watching fishing videos lately. You know what I like to watch? Outdoor Chef Channel. Outdoor Chef Channel. Is that Outdoor Chef Channel? This guy's awesome. He actually just quit his job to become a full-time YouTuber. Outdoor Chef Life. That's what it is. Outdoor Chef Life. This dude is awesome. He's a chef and he goes out. Oh, he's got 333,000 subscribers now. That was my badge number. He goes out and he catches fish and he forages on the beach, and he was a chef. And so he takes all the stuff and he makes this delicious food out of it. It's like catch and cook. I love his channel, man. Damn.